Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today, I'll be showing you how to add stickers to photo iPhone. So guys, if you ever wondered, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to your photos. Now guys, once you are on your photos, just simply select the photo that you want to add a sticker to. And now from here, you will have an option, three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, and it will redirect you to the editing tab or features of the iPhone. And now select the pencil icon on the top right corner with the three dots. So go ahead and select that. And pretty much over here, you will have an option down below, the plus icon. So go ahead and select on it. And pretty much you will have an option add sticker over here. Go ahead and tap on it. And it will open up these tabs over here. So pretty much you should be able to see your recent history. You should be able to send your stickers over here. And if you want to add your customized sticker, select the plus icon in order for you to proceed. And you could also add some emojis, and pretty much it will be depending on you, and you will just simply select as many as you can and add it into your photo, and select done on the top right corner once you are done, and select done again in order for you to save the changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.